This is the dashboard. As I was out driving the other day, I passed by this scene. Now, I've been unable to determine what was happening here, but looking at it as I passed by, it looked like someone was having a really bad day. With 3 sheriff's cars involved and a tow truck loading the car up, it certainly didn't look good. It appeared to me that a traffic stop turned into an arrest and an impound. Not a good day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
Subscriptions, like taking advantage of Walgreens 90-day refills to save on a trip, or using Refill by Scan, which is super easy and right on your phone. And for anybody worried about prescription costs, I say, hey, we got you, with low-cost copays on many medications. Or using Refill by Scan, which is super easy and right on your phone. And for anybody worried about prescription costs, I say, hey, we got you, with low-cost copays on many medications. Let's talk about making things easy. Go your way at Walgreens Cosmetics. We call it the restriction true. 1915 through 1987, chemicals polluted the water supply of U.S. Marine Corps base Camp Lejeune. Thousands of patriotic Americans.
Hey you! Yeah, you! If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.